In just a matter of weeks, the anticipated release of the Google Pixel 8 Pro is on the horizon. As a result, preparations are well underway, including the creation of marketing content and promotional videos. Among these leaked materials is a promo video showcasing the upcoming Google Pixel 8 Pro, now available in an attractive new blue color variant. Additionally, the leaked video provides an exciting glimpse into a noteworthy enhancement in the realm of video capabilities. So today, we're going to talk about it. Leak video found its way onto Twitter, all thanks to well-known leaker Easy. In his post, Easy elaborates that the upcoming Pixel 8 series is set to debut an innovative audio magic eraser feature designed to diminish background noises in videos. This advancement promises to eliminate undesirable auditory distractions from your clips, alleviating the cumbersome process of manual noise removal, a task often fraught with significant challenges. With the moniker Magic Eraser, it strongly implies that akin to its photographic counterpart. This feature will harness the power of AI-driven machine learning tools to meticulously scrutinize your video clips. Its goal is to intelligently identify and, subsequently, eliminate unwanted elements seamlessly, sparing you the need for any kind of manual intervention. If its performance mirrors the effectiveness of the photo feature, it shares its name, and this advancement tends to significantly benefit both professional video creators and casual home video enthusiasts alike. According to Easy, this feature is coming to the Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel A2. Rumors suggest that both phone models are making a transition to the ISO-cell GN2 as the primary camera, while the Pro variant appears poised for enhancement with the introduction of the Sony IMX787 sensor for its ultra-wide camera. This upgrade is said to be accompanied by notable improvements in autofocus capabilities. As a result of these camera advancements, users can anticipate substantial enhancements in low-light performance, potentially coupled with the prospect of achieving higher resolution and frame rates for video recording. Anticipate noteworthy hardware enhancements for both phone models as they make a transition to the more advanced Tensor G3 processor. According to reports, this updated processor has significantly heightened speed and efficiency compared to its predecessor, accompanied by notable enhancements in graphics processing capabilities. While the aforementioned enhancements are the standout features, there's a host of additional upgrades to look forward to as well. Expedited charging with the incorporation of DisplayPort via USB-C and even the inclusion of a temperature sensor all will be unveiled, definitely within the upcoming weeks. As for the release date, October 2023 is the year mark for the debut of the Google Pixel 8, accompanied by a modest uptick in pricing compared with the Pixel 7 predecessors. Projections indicate a potential price range of $649 to $699, reflecting an increase of 50 to 100% from the Pixel 7's cost. Similarly, the Pixel 8 Pro is also poised for a price adjustment, with whispers suggesting a possible jump from its current $899 to a rumored $999 line for its iteration. In short, the conclusion of features like expedited charging DisplayPort via USB-C and the addition of temperature sensors demonstrates Google's commitment to enhancing both functionality and convenience in Pixel 8. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.